Well, here you guys go, the finished product. Remember, we painted the beams, we let them dry, we primed them. I wanted to show you our next project coming. Well, actually today we are gonna paint the beams, and you see those frame beams, metal beams, they want to paint them same color as the fascia board, as you guys can see on top. So before anything's done, well, they wanna get them painted, and the reason is, you know, see, you can see how it's already rusting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sand them, we're gonna clean them, and after that we are gonna paint them. And the paint that we're using here is an emerald urethane. It's the best. It's from Sherwin-Williams. It's the best out there. And I just wanted to show you before how it looks, and when we are done we're gonna paint the interior as well. So we are here before anybody. It's actually raining, and it's not raining, but it's a cloudy day, and before the rain starts coming, we're starting to get here in fall in Arizona, and before the rains come, they want to get all this done before it starts to really rain. And here you go, you guys can see it. Looks amazing. It's gonna look great. Hey, this is Daniel again. Remember how I was showing you that we were gonna sand, and look the difference between cleaning them. That one's cleaned, it's sanded, and that one's sanded. Well, we gotta sand that, still this, but this one has no work to it, and you can see right away the difference. Look, this one's half done, but you can see the difference. And let me show you, always remember safety first. I'm gonna show you what my guy's doing down there. He's gonna rip that tree there, and he's sanding, and like you can see him there, he's sanding all this. Sorry. So what we did is we used a machine, and since these are pretty new, we're just hand sanding them just to take the sand, because they came really well. Here obviously we're gonna have to use that machine, and then after that we're just gonna sand. But look what he's doing, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Now this beams, it's very important. What we're gonna do today is that we are gonna prime them today, and we're gonna use the advantage that it's kind of windy. I mean, that it's cloudy, and the reason is you don't do this. The metal gets so hot here in Arizona that it's better to do it when it's cool, because then it starts flashing. And I'll show you guys right now. Sorry, the video looks, but I'll show you guys what we're doing here. It's gonna match the fascia board, and that one's clean already. I'm gonna show you guys the process. Hey guys, so look, this is the primer. Remember to always pour it carefully. Pro Industrial primer, Pro Acrylic, the best primer out there. Remember to strain it, use a strainer, and sometimes this gallon can be there for a while, and we're gonna begin painting that prime, and you'll see the difference right now. Wanted to show you the prime in the beams, and what we're gonna do, it's getting kind of, we painted it right exactly on the time because it's gonna begin raining. So now the good thing is that it's not gonna rust no more, and you're not gonna see all the rust. And what we do typically, we paint it today, the primer, and we're gonna let it dry and cure. And a lot of my peers, they don't. They would let it dry in an hour and they would start painting. But I always think doing that, you have to leave things dry at least 24 hours. So as you can see, they're all primed, and we're gonna wait for them to be painted. tomorrow. Well, here you guys go, the finished product. Remember, we painted the beams, we let them dry, we primed them. Very excited. Remember the beams? We had to sand them, prime them, and paint them. Beautiful. Up there, perfect match. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you the end product. We use emerald urethane. We matched the fascia board to the beam, and you can see how it looks. Flawless. I love urethane. Just leaves it, gives it a smoother look. Let me show you right now. Just gives it